flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up? Hey. So today is going to be a DIY video about these beautiful hair clips that you see in my hair right now, hunty. Hunty, get into it, hunty. Okay. So hair clips are really in right now. Like, you see them everywhere. So I decided to make my own for those girls who might be on a budget or who might not be able to, find ones that they like. Some might be sold out, or you want to just have ones that nobody else will have. So if you want to see how I got these pearl ones and also these rhinestone ones, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this with your video with your friends, blah, blah, blah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to use a glue gun. I have an extra glue stick just in case. I'm going to use some pearls, some rhinestones, of course some bobby pins, the gerbil curved ones, and this is the black spray paint in metallic gold. I got it from Blick for like $6. So what I'm doing now is I'm just spreading apart these pins and just making sure they're an equal space apart. They don't have to be too far because you are spraying them. So you have to shake this can about 3 minutes before you spray, as so it says. So once I've shaken it until my arm fell off, I am now spraying it, and I'm spraying one side. And once I'm done and that dries, I'm gonna flip the pins over as you see me doing now and spray the other side, just to make sure that the pins are completely covered gold or gold coated hairpins. 24 carats. So you see me now. I am spraying those again. I'm just gonna go ahead and let those dry. Now that I let those dry, I'm going to just start pulling them off one by one. Just a disclaimer, guys, I don't mind the smell of this, but if you don't want to spray in your house and you don't want that smell in your house, I would do this outside, on your roof, on the street, I don't know, on your fire escape, if you don't want those fumes in your house. Like, I just did it in one separate room and then walked away and closed it, let the air ventilate, but it's up to you. So once those are all pulled out, I'm just gonna let them dry for a little while longer. I think I let it dry for like 20 minutes because I noticed that some of them were still a little bit sticky. So I went ahead and did some of them off camera because I wanted to design them and see how I wanted them to look. So that's what you're looking at now. I have the rhinestone ones and the pearl ones. So we're gonna start with the pearl ones first. It's really simple, guys. All you're doing is applying glue and then applying the pearl. I have really long nails. I'm trying to let you see it, how I'm laying it down as much as possible. I like to do things with my fingers. I like to do my lashes with my fingers. I like to do my crafts with my fingers. But if you want to use tweezers, use tweezers. I don't know why. I just do not like tweezers. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay, so now that you see me designing that, for the pearls, I did 5 pearls on one and then 3 pearls on the other one, as like a little bit of design, because I figured if I mix match them, oh my gosh, guys, I figured if I did that, it would, look a little bit cooler when I put them together and stuff like that, and I can wear them, different ways and mix and match the rhinestones with the pearls and whatever, a little bit of design stuff. So those are the 4 smaller ones with the 3 pearls. I'm just showing you how those look. They look so pretty, guys. I think I like them. I hope you guys like them too. And then those are the pearl ones, which I do love. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next set. We're gonna do the rest of the rhinestone ones. Now I did some holographic rhinestone ones and then some regular kind of like clear silver kind of cubic zirconia ones, and also with the same idea to mix and match those. And I did bigger stones and then I did smaller stones as well. So that's what you see me finishing up right now. Slay this. Who needs Claire's? What? Not me. No, I need Claire's. I'm lying. But I'm just saying, they should hire me or something. I don't know. Okay, guys, all of the pins are done. And that's it. These are the pro pins, and I love how they came out. I hope you like them as well. Yeah, girl. Okay. And those are the rhinestone ones. I only put in 4 of those just to give you a different look. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, so that anytime I upload a new video, you're notified. You gotta let YouTube know. I want to see Reese LaFleur videos. Make sure you join that flower gang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. And have a hot girl summer.